guess where I'm at? Whose car is this? You guys, I'm getting chauffeured today by the one and only Blue. And it's your girl. Purple. Yep. We got Charles in the back seat. We are all good to go. We'll talk to you guys when we get to our destination. Bye, guys. We're about to go into this ghetto. It's like run down Dollar Tree. I don't know. I never seen one like this. Only in Florida, guys. Look, they said not their part of Florida. We
only in this part of Florida.
What is that? Alberto, Al Publico, open to to the public. But they also have an Avon, guys. I've never seen that before. They better not try to get us and make us buy Avon. So I'll show you guys when we get inside. Okay guys, so we got hungry per usual, and now we're all going into IHOP. So we're gonna walk right into the IHOP and eat. And I believe Purple and Blue are gonna go live on their channel, so if you're watching this, it'll be edited, but make sure you go check out their live stream that they'll probably post it. So make sure you check them out. I'll link their channel in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. Okay guys, so we are in the IHOP and our food just came. Babe, show them what you got. Burger. I have an omelet, and so does Blue and Purple.
I have the best omelet, guys.
She does.
You know.
She does.
I have the best one because this is steak here.
She does have a huge steak omelet. Let me zoom in on that omelet.
Yes, this is the this is
Look at that.
mushrooms and everything.
Tomatoes, good.
This is above.
Alright, so yeah, we're about to eat and enjoy our food. I just wanted you guys to see that we met up with our fam today, and we love you so much. We'll talk to you guys next time. Close us out, babe. Bye. Pink Squad. Purple and Blue are gone now, you guys. I miss them so much. They are definitely like family members to us, guys. Like, it's crazy. I swear it's crazy how you can meet somebody online, on any website, online, but for us, we did meet on YouTube, and you connect as if you're like family, you know, like it's just good. Oh, sorry guys, that's Charles in the bathroom. But yeah, so it's just crazy because it's definitely like good vibes, you know. You're comfortable, you know. Not at one point did we feel uncomfortable with them. I hope they didn't feel uncomfortable with us, because we just as crazy as them. But yeah, so we finished IHOP, and now we're back at our hotel, the city. So they dropped us off, and we were finally able to check in. So this will be room tour number like 5 billion, because this has been the longest trip of my life. So yeah, make sure you give me a big thumbs up if you like room tour videos. Also, make sure you click that subscribe button down below if you'd like to stick around. If not, that's cool too. Sorry I'm an oily mess. I am not used to this humidity, guys. Like, in Virginia, it is not hot like this. It's cold in Virginia. But anyways, let's start with the room tour. So when you first come in, here's the door. And this is a bathroom. Before I show you. Okay, babe's in the shower. Oh my, thank you, dude. Okay, we're just gonna, okay. Guys, when your man poops like that, that was trife. But anyways, so we have this closet. It looks like he's already gotten pretty comfortable and put some clothes up there. Is this clean? Oh, no, that's definitely dirty. It's sweaty. So these are like the old school closets, man. I haven't seen these closets since my grandma's house with the little knob here. They could definitely do some renovation with these closet doors. You hear that? Yeah. Okay, so that's really old school, but other than that, I do like the room. When you come over here, there's 2 beds. We did request a king-size bed, but of course they didn't do that, and we're so tired that we don't care. They have this huge mirror right here. Check my flip-flops. They ain't Gucci. They ain't Gucci. But anyways, so there's a lamp. And I went ahead and set this up. Purple and Blue TV did take us to the Dollar Tree. So we picked up some water so we can stay hydrated. And I have hot fries. Babe has these Funyuns. And what are these ghetto chips? Chester's fries flaming hot. You know what? I have no clue what that is, but that's what he picked up. And I got him a toothbrush because he did have a toothbrush, but we weren't able to check in this morning, so I had to do my makeup and stuff in just the public bathroom of the hotel. And in the middle of that, when I wanted to brush my teeth to freshen up, and my toothbrush was fine, but his didn't have a cover on it and it fell into the sink. So now he has a new toothbrush. I have leftovers here from IHOP. It was so good. I had an omelet, and that's my purse with all my essentials in it, my carry bag. And yeah, so I don't know. He'll probably just sleep over there, honestly, and I'll sleep over here because then I can stretch out and do what I want. And this is our toiletries bag that's here. It's Vera Bradley with both. Everything's really packed in here with both of our toiletries. If you guys would like to see a what's in my toiletry bag, let me know down below. We can make it happen. His Steelers hat and some PJs for me, and this is my Fashion Nova jacket I've been wearing because it's really thin. And this is our room key and our password. So we are staying at the Clarion. What is that? Clarion. Maybe it's Spanish, like Clarion. The Clarion Hotel. Welcome to the Clarion Hotel. Yeah, so that's that. This is my BB luggage. I got this at a huge steal. This bag, it's massive. I'm able to fit so much in it. I have my stuff plus babe stuff in here. Oof, yeah, massive. I even bought a new bag. Like, not a new bag, but I bought a new purse, and it's in the bottom of here, stuffed in there. I will not take it out until I get home. So I will film a, I guess like a unbagging of a new purse, luxury purse unbagging. I bought this purse from the Bahamas, so yeah, but I just have my bag open. Okay, I had my bag open on this table because I don't like to put luggage over on clean beds or on the floor. So I had to put it on this table here, honestly. And yeah, so it's here. And one thing that I need to show you guys, which is really important when you travel, make sure you guys take a Lysol spray and spray down the bed, okay? So what I'm going to do is like actually pull these covers up and spray the beds. You want to spray them down when you first get to wherever you're staying, so that everything's just like nice and disinfected and dried down. Because even though they wash and stuff, you just never know. So we're just going to turn this into a quick, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I was trying to, yeah. I'm going to close it up so that that can just sink in. Whew. On to the next. I'll make that up pretty when I'm done. That's like the least important part. You want to make sure that you're disinfecting before you lay in these sheets. People do some really gross stuff at hotels. Yeah. People just do some really trifling things at hotels. So, yeah. Looks like they gave us a little trash can there. And let me take a look at this view. Let's see if it's anything amazing. Girl. Look at this. We are across from the airport. I don't know if you guys can see that plane right there. There's an airplane right there. Like, we are literally right across from the airport. We will be leaving here at 4 a.m. Yeah. Oh God, guys, look what I just saw when I was thinking about when we're leaving. Somebody died. Really? That's so gross. It looked like he died while he was doing the freak nasty. Like, ugh. I'm so disgusted by that. I'm just gonna actually close the blinds. I don't want any parts in that. But let's just keep it like a little bit of sunlight so that I don't fall asleep, because I will fall asleep. But yeah, so that's it. So we just have this table, and it looks like we can make tea there, but we're just here honestly for a few hours. We leave at 4 a.m. like I said. The time is now 5:08 p.m. And yeah, we don't want to ruin anything, so we're not even unpacking. We're literally getting things out of our suitcase and that's it. So yep. Anyways, babe's naked, so I just had to move to this little corner over here. And yeah, so about to go shower and take a cat nap, and then we're going to go ahead and hit the road tomorrow. Not hit the road tomorrow, but hit the air tomorrow, because we're going in the airplane. And that's that, guys. So sorry the lighting is crap in here, but yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this quick room tour and maybe learned something. So really cool. Make sure you click that like button and subscribe down below if you want to. If not, then that's okay too. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube fam, Purple or Blue TV. I will link their channel down below. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.